If you needed life support to survive, you and your family have the right to make the decision on when to withdraw it, except in one key exception: when you're pregnant. Now, one lawmaker wants to remove that exception, while another wants to strengthen it. KXAN's Chris Sadeghi has more on a pregnancy rights debate brewing at the Capitol.
Memories remain in Eric Munoz's head.
The good ones and the bad ones will never go away.
His wife Marlise is in both good and bad. She was 14 weeks pregnant with their second baby when she suffered a severe blood clot in November 2013. She died, but only after staying 2 months on a ventilator to keep her alive. That's not what Eric wanted.
If this is wrong, I want the ability to lay my wife to rest.
Because Marlise was pregnant, by law, the hospital had to try and keep Marlise alive in hopes of saving the baby. Marlise's law would change that.
It gives families the right and the ability to make that final decision.
However, another proposal would do quite the opposite. If Representative Matt Krause's House Bill 1901 passes, as long as the child is developing, life support cannot be removed, and a legal representative will be assigned to look after the baby's best interest if the case goes to court, a place Eric didn't want to be.
I had to see my wife in a hospital for 62 days while we went to court.
One of those bad memories that Eric cannot forget. From the Capitol, Chris Sadeghi, KXAN News.
In a statement on his website, Representative Matt Krause said the Constitution states no person shall be deprived of life without due process, and he will continue to defend that right. Right now, about half of U.S. states have some sort of law that takes rights away from pregnant women. 13 states, including Texas, do not take into account a pregnant woman's health care directive, which includes whether she wants to stay on life support. Another 10 states will not take a pregnant woman's health care directive into account if a physician believes the fetus can be brought to term while receiving life support. Some legal experts believe these laws are suspect under U.S. Supreme Court rulings that the Constitution protects women's rights to choose whether or not to bear children.